Hi everyone, welcome to Full Circle Trader. I hope all of you are learning and making money from the markets. In this video, we are going to analyze a penny stock, which is Sakuma Exports International. I know that sounds like a Japanese company, but actually it's not. It's an Indian exports company that does business in multiple countries. Now, why I have selected this stock and why it's a potential candidate for a swing trade, we will discuss everything in detail in this video. So let's get started. Now we know that many people take interest in penny stocks, and yes, sometimes they give mind-blowing returns. Let's start the analysis of this stock to see that what makes this stock a good choice for a swing trade. So this is a Sakuma Exports daily chart, and as we can see, this chart has given a breakout on a closing basis here, and it has given a good volume when this breakout has came, and it has cleared the nearby resistance. So this was the first, wide range bar that initiated the move to the upside. After this breakout, prices have moved straight to the upside without any problem, and they have cleared all the resistance which were there to the left. We can also see that there were some red bars and very long range topping tails, which also got ignored in this upside movement. And then it made the a bullish flag like pattern, which came back to the mini support area, and then we have another breakout with a very nice volume, which we can see here. So this volume is somewhere around 5 million, so which means that it is over 50 lakh of volume. Now this is the fresh move, a new move which has just started in the last trading session, and as you can see that there is no resistance to the left, and there is a clear void where prices can move to the upside without any problem. Now we can also see that all these three moving averages are aligned. So after this long base, we have a breakout which came with the volume, and that's what makes this stock a very potential candidate for the swing trade. Now where should we take the entry in this stock is maybe this stock will make a bullish 1 2 3 pattern. Now I have multiple times mentioned in my earlier videos what is a bullish 1 2 3 pattern. So in this pattern, we have a one wide range bar that initiated from the base. Then we have a resting day or a small size bar. And then we have the third bar that takes out the high of the first wide range initiative bar. So if that pattern forms, we will take the entry when this third bar will take out the high of this WRB. Or if it will form a base here, and if it will give the breakout, then we will buy that breakout. Just keep this in mind that the nearest stop or the initial stop will be below this red candle low, because that will give it a sufficient room for the prices to wiggle around. Now, if the prices creates a base or gives a breakout, and we will enter into this trade. But after the trade, let's say prices move back down and they create a sort of pullback again, give a closing below the 50% of this wide range bar, removes the overall impact of this bar. So if it will give a closing below the 50% of this wide range bar, we will either close the partial position or we will come out of the trade. And that is when if prices will start to pull back right after the trade. If prices will keep on moving, then we will decide where to book the partial profit, and then we will do the trade management accordingly. Now, another very important point to be noted here is that this stock is going to release its earnings on 1st of June. So just take care of that. If let's say this swing trade, extends till that period, then we have to come out of the position no matter in what situation the trade will be in. But because of the earnings, and as I have mentioned a couple of times, that on the earning day, we do not trade, we close the position because market remains very volatile, the stock remains very volatile, and we don't want to get into the trap of any sort of high volatility. So we will come out of the position. Now let me just clean this up, and we will go ahead and see the weekly chart to do the multiple time frame analysis. So this is the weekly chart, and as you can see that this chart has come out of the stage 4 kind of decline. So this was the stage 4 decline. Now if you don't know what is the stage 4 decline, just see this is the stage 4 decline, and after it there was a multi-year accumulation of stage 1. So this was the stage 4 decline, and then we have the stage 1 accumulation period. after this period, prices have started making higher highs and higher lows, and which tells us that this stage one is also over, and this stock is in the stage 2 uptrend. Now, as you can see, there is a very clear void to the upside, and prices have sufficient room to move to the upside without any kind of problem, because this was the straight move down, a very smooth move to the downside, which left no resistance to the upside. So let me just clean this up. Now there is no resistance to the left. Now, as there is no resistance left to the upside, prices can sail through smoothly without any kind of problem. Now let me just mark the resistance line here. So this was the first point of reference for us, and then this would be the second point of reference for us. So if prices will start to move back up, we will wait until this point of references to get breached, and then we will take the partial position out of our trade and book some profit. And then if the pattern or the overall market will suggest, we will trail with the remaining position that we have up until this high or this high, based upon how this overall price action will move to the upside direction. Now, another important point is that even in the weekly chart, prices have moved above this 20 MA, and they have cleared all the nearby resistance, and they have given a closing above the average. That tells us that the buyers are very aggressive and very confident about this market, about this stock, and we should also take advantage of this. So all this accumulation which is done by the big money, the smart money, has left their footprint, and we should not leave this opportunity, and we should also enter into this stock based upon the right pattern that I have just discussed in the daily time frame. Now, if you don't understand, if you are unable to analyze the trend, I have created a full video on trend analysis from the basics. Please go ahead, watch that video. I will give the link above. Trust me, if you will watch that video, you will be master in doing the trend analysis. I have made that video with a lot of examples, and there is so much clarity that I have tried to provide. And if you will watch that video, that trend analysis will no longer create any sort of problem for you. So that's it in this video. I hope I have covered all the important points in this analysis. Now, apart from that, many viewers asked me about this trading platform. So this is the Fyers trading platform. Fyers is the fastest growing discount broker in India. And if you want to open the trading account with Fyers, I have given the account open link in the description below. Please go and check out that link. I have also given my referral code. So please use that code to open the account. Apart from that, there is very important point that I wanted to share with you all, that all these stock analysis that I do here on YouTube, whenever there is any update on such stocks, I entered into the stock, or I trail the stock, or the stock gets hit, I share all these updates into my Telegram channel. So the link of that Telegram channel is given below in the description box. If you are unable to find that link, please comment and ask for the link. I'll share it in the comment box. Please subscribe to that channel as well, because it's free and it's for everyone. And I regularly share all these stock updates in that channel as well. Apart from that, again, I have a personal request. Please save water. It's very important for us humans and animals. So catch you soon in another interesting analysis video. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. Take care of your parents. Bye-bye and have a nice day.